As you probably know, Tigo and Millicom Ghana were the first company to launch mobile services in Ghana. We launched mobile services 20 years ago. So we're also happy about the achievement that the sector has done to the country. However, as you also said, this poses a lot of challenges to each operator in an industry that is very crowded. Profitability challenges, price levels that, as you said, are one of the lowest of Africa, if not the lowest. So it's a challenge every day to continue to make sure that we give what our consumers want in a profitable way to our shareholders. Well, you have to be at the top of your game, basically. You have to beat competition, you have to convince customers to use you rather than your competitors, and you need to serve them in a profitable way. So what we try to do is to bring in value-added services or innovative services that people are prepared to pay a premium for. This way we increase our top line, and at the same time we try to manage our cost base as much as possible so that we are a lean company, so we don't have waste in terms of our costs, and this allows us to deliver a margin that is used to invest again in the business to grow it, etc. So it requires much more discipline, much more focus, and to be able to survive in a difficult environment. The growth for us is mainly will come from two things. The first is data, and this is true across the world, and Ghana is no different. Data is going to be one of the major growth drivers for us in the next few years. The second growth driver is new services, and here we're happy because we think we are leading and we're actually setting the agenda. We are the first ones to have introduced insurance products over mobile in Ghana. We are the first ones to have introduced mobile financial services in West Africa as a whole, and in Ghana in particular. So we have actually high hopes that the new services that we are introducing and we're going to introduce are going to provide us good growth. And the third aspect is basically what we call here fixing the basics. If we make sure that we have the basics right in terms of understanding our customers, giving them good products, giving them a loving brand, giving them good service, having the right people inside the company, this will give us again growth, organic growth, if you will. So those are the three things that we're trying to focus on. You're right, there is a huge opportunity there. The number of MBACT in Ghana is very large, and in Africa as a whole. There I'm very happy to say that we are setting the agenda there and leading the way with mobile financial services. We were the first ones to introduce the service here in Ghana. We have the highest number of transactions. We have the highest largest value of transactions through our mobile financial services, and we are investing heavily, both in terms of resources, in terms of education of customers, in terms of technology, to actually drive this industry in Ghana. We have branches across the country, we have promoters on the street pushing the service, and we have actually, as a whole, even with the group of Millicom, have been very successful in this sector. We are the leaders in Africa after Kenya, for example. In Tanzania, we are the leaders in Latin America, in Paraguay. So this is something that we know how to do, that we are leading here in Ghana, and that we have high hopes for. Very simple. We provide services to companies so that they can pay their drivers. I receive part of my salary on my phone, for example, so that when I go out to a restaurant, I can tip the waiter through Tigo Cash rather than through cash, for example. We provide service that allows you to send your money from here to your loved ones in Tamale.